Hey everybody, Tim Furlong coming back at you from my quarter turns. So recently I was weeding my garden and I noticed something really interesting. If I do it consistently on a regular basis, I can remove most of those weeds with 2 fingers. It's a simple process. I'm done really quick and everything is moving along exactly the way I want it to. The problem is I know myself and I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna, skip some times. I'm gonna wait a few weeks, and I know my excuses. I'm too busy. I'm exhausted. I don't really feel like it today. I'll do it tomorrow. There's a game on, and those little weeds that could be removed with 2 fingers now become massive tree trunks, and it's going to require a shovel and a rake and a lot of colorful language just to potentially remove them. Well, managing teams and being a leader, it's exactly the same thing. You have a garden to tend to, and you know this from experience. If you deal with those personnel issues early, it's like removing a weed with 2 fingers. You can have a quick conversation, some course correction, some constructive feedback, and all of a sudden that little issue goes away. The problem is we all know ourselves and we're going to wait. We have those excuses. I don't feel like it today. I don't want to deal with it. Oh no, that's going to be a difficult discussion. And all of a sudden, that little issue that you could have dealt with early becomes a massive problem and it affects everyone on your team. Behaviors start to shift. People start to resent things. Things are festering underneath. It erodes culture. Does this sound familiar? Look, now the conversation is really difficult and you stress and anxietize about it and it becomes much more difficult than it ever had to be. So this week I'm going to ask you, where are you neglecting to weed your garden, whether it's personally or professionally? Where are you allowing a small thing that could be removed very easily or dealt with very simply to grow and become a huge issue? It's creating stress for you. It's weighing on you. It's hurting your productivity. And guess what? It's hurting everybody else in your organization and in your life. So this week, make a commitment to do some weeding in your garden and do it consistently and watch how things grow. Until next time, here's to you and your continued success and weeding those gardens one quarter turn at a time.